Two beggars used to visit king's palace. They received help from the king. One is an old beggar, the other a young. When the young receive money from the king, he praises the king. He says, "King provides." But the old beggar, when he receives the money, he praises God. He says, "God provides." This really annoys the king. King thought to himself, "Why this old beggar is praising God? Because the provider is me, not God." Therefore, he wanted to teach a lesson to the old beggar, that he placed a bag full of gold coin in a pathway, and asked those two beggars the next day to go and take not the usual path that they travel, but the pathway that the king showed them. First, he asked the young beggar to go on the path where the king arranged. The young beggar started walking on the path. The path was very nice and it was very much broadened, and there were no one that he felt even I could go across the road without even opening my eyes. Therefore, he closed his eyes and crossed the road. The second person to walk on the path was the old beggar. He came and found the bag full of gold coins. The following day, king asked them whether they have found anything. The young beggar said that he had found nothing. But the old beggar confessed the king that he was able to get a bag full of gold coins. And he said, "God provides." This even annoyed the king. Therefore, the next day, the king made another plan. He took a pumpkin, cut it, and filled it with silver coins. And again he joined the pumpkin as it was and gave it to the younger beggar. The younger beggar took it and went away. The following day, king inquired both of them whether they had any good fortune on the previous day. The younger beggar told, "Of course I had. I took the pumpkin to my home. On my way, I saw a merchant. He bought the pumpkin and gave me few coins. That's what only I had." The older beggar told the king, "When I walked on my path, I saw a merchant. Looking at me, the merchant gave me a pumpkin. I took it and went home. I was to cut the pumpkin in order to cook, but when I cut it, I found silver coins in it." God provides. Dear brethren in Jesus Christ, you know, we may get so many blessings from people, from nature, and from circumstances. But those are being provided not by those people, circumstances, or nature. They are given to us by God Himself. Therefore, when we receive anything from anyone, the gratitude that we show not only for them, it is purely to God, because it is God who provides. He is not our resource, He is our source. But sometimes we have the tendency to thank only the resource, so to say, the people, place, circumstances. But we have to thank not the resources, but the source. The source is our God. See, in today's gospel, we read the story of Zechariah and his wife. Both were too old to bear a child. Nothing is impossible to our God. He proved it in the history. If he could do it in the history, he could do it for you and I. Nothing is impossible. Whatever things that you have still think you cannot, I would tell you, if you put your whole trust in God, not on people, not on circumstances, not on nature, not on anything, but purely on the source, that is our God, then you will see your golden days. Amen.